In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, accessing the search feature in Asana is really straightforward. All you need to do is click on the search bar located at the very top of your Asana dashboard. That's your starting point. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This is where we're going to dive deeper into the functionalities of Asana's search capabilities. Look for the Advanced Search option. It's usually found at the bottom of the recent search list, or you might also see some search icons that lead you there. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll open up the Advanced Search interface. Now that we're in the Advanced Search window, you need to define the type of item you are looking for. Asana is versatile, so you can search for different types of items depending on what you need. This could be a task, project, person, portfolio, goal, message, or even a template. Just select the appropriate option that fits what you're looking for. Next, let's refine your search further by setting specific parameters. You can include or exclude certain items like subtasks, milestones, or approvals. For example, if you're only interested in main tasks and want to leave out the subtasks, this is where you get to make that distinction. Now we need to specify the location and the status of the items you're searching for. You can set the location to specific projects or even choose anywhere if you're not sure where it might be located. Then decide on the status of the items. Are you looking for completed tasks, incomplete ones, or perhaps even deleted items? This feature is helpful if you want to clean up and manage your projects effectively. Moving on, let's talk about the assignee and date filters. You can filter your results based on who the items are assigned to, which is fantastic for team collaboration. You can also enter specific due dates if you're searching for tasks that are due on a particular day or within a certain time frame. Additionally, you have the option to filter by collaborators as well, perfect for team projects. But we're not done yet. If you want to get even more specific, you can apply additional filters. There are a lot of options here. For instance, you can filter based on whether an item has any attachments. This is useful if you usually include documents or files linked to your tasks. You might also want to narrow your search by specific custom fields that are relevant to your project. This allows you to find items that meet specific criteria. Additionally, you can filter by dates, whether they are created, modified, started, or completed. And don't forget about tags and dependencies. You can further refine your search results by specifying tags or identifying task dependencies that are relevant to your search. Once everything is perfectly tailored to your needs, simply execute the search. Asana will now generate a narrowed list of results that will help you find exactly what you're looking for. That wraps up our exploration on how to use advanced search in Asana. I hope this helps you manage your tasks and projects more effectively. Happy searching!